box is all jacked up, as you can see right there. I hate that. I do not like that at all. But this was a Funko Pop I feel like I may be able to fix. I keep seeing videos from time to time of people fixing the boxes, and the damage is really not that bad. I feel like I can hit it with like an iron right here and it'll flatten the box. Delz. Alright, so fixing this box, popped everything open. You see how it's a little wavy and dented over there, but it's not really bad. You know, it just needs to be flattened, and I think once some heat and metal is just applied to this bad boy, I think this is going to be really good. I think we're going to fix this thing. We'll see if this is a fail or not, but it's worth trying because I really want this box to be in better condition. Yeah, over here and the inner flap, it's not the ends of the world. You don't really see that, but definitely on this part I want to fix. So let's try it out. So before using the iron, I'm going to try using this big Kanye West Yeezy wooden piece that I got. This was a promo. It's kind of rare. I think it's selling for a little bit of money, but you know, I'm not selling it. I'm keeping it. Maybe Yeezus will help us. So I'm just applying this here, put a little pressure, and I'm just gonna leave it and see if it helps at all, because I'm a little nervous with the iron. I've seen it done, but I just would rather try this out first. So we'll give us a little bit of time. We'll give it about a half an hour and come back, see how it looks.
12 o'clock midnight.
After about a half an hour, applying pressure every couple of minutes and letting it sit, it's pretty damn straight now, I must say. Looks good. Back in the box, and let's take a look. Yeah, you see, I think I do have to hit it with the iron. We're gonna have to do it. We'll do it for YouTube. We'll do it for the Funko Pop community. If I ruin the box, so be it. At least we'll learn how not to do it. But I will hit this with the damn iron. I tried doing it this way. I think it helped a little bit, but we gotta fix this damn thing. So let's break out the iron. Alright, so I got the iron right here. Seems kind of warm. Let's try it out. Let me feel it. Yeah, it's definitely warm. Everyone cross your fingers I don't burn this box. For the box heads. I think it's working nice. Let's try over here. Oh, wow. It's working, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's actually working, guys. Definitely better. Let's try more. Let's try inside now a little bit. We ironing pop boxes, bitches. Alright, so as I was lifting it up, I totally failed miserably. I pressed the damn button on here, which squirted out this fluid to keep your clothes from wrinkling. Now I just box up. Damn it. But it was looking good. Maybe it'll dry and it'll be nice. We'll see. I'm gonna let this thing dry. We'll see how it looks. Ah, man.
Eventually.
Gotta move fast. I got the hair dryer. We gotta dry this bitch off. Ah!
Alright, we got the box dry, but we gotta flatten it. So I'm gonna use my girl's iron, her hair iron. Oh, shit, it's working. Don't try this at home unless you're risking burning your shit down or messing up your box. Yo, this is working so good though. That's crazy. Look how flat it is now. Let's go in the other room. The lighting here sucks. All right, so we're back in the room. It looks super flat compared to before, man. I think we did it. Had to use the curling iron because I messed up. You see, sometimes you may think you're about to catch an L, catch that loss. You got water spilling all over the place from the iron. I don't iron, man. My wife irons. I don't do the ironing. Not my expertise, but man, I came through in the clutch, hair dried it, blew all that damn water out, but it was still wavy, so you know we had to hit it with the hair iron. I think that's the right way to, I think that's what it's called, the hair iron. Oh, goodness. Look how much better that is. I mean, it's a little loose, but still great compared to before. I mean, before it was a hot mess. Now let's put him back in his home. Go in your home. If you haven't subscribed yet, you love Funko Pop, make sure to do so. Bang! Now the true test is to pick it up and look at the bottom.
Way better than before.
Still popping up a little bit, but how many pops you know have that little gap right there? We fixed it. We fixed the Funko Pop. It is a glorious moment in Funko Pop history. We fixed it. And I thought we were finished. When that water hit, oh my God. When that water hit, that thing, and hit right on this Venom poster I just got. It was for free though, but man, this thing is finished now. It's all good. Venom definitely helped out today, so shout out to Venom. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you picked up this Funko Pop. If you want to see my review on it, plus I do a review on the other exclusive, which is this one right here. Definitely look in the description box below. I'm so happy that I accomplished my goal, because when that water hit, I was like, dude, it was going so well and it just got so fucked up. Don't you hate when that happens, when things are just working in your favor and then bang, it just gets fucked up? But that's when you gotta keep going, figure out how to fix the situation. And that's what we did. Much love to everyone out there. Shout out to Team DJ Delz. Make sure to join my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. We do an hour podcast each and every week. Plus, you're entered into a monthly giveaway. Giving away Funko Pops, plural. If you win the giveaway, you get multiple Funko Pops. So join my Patreon. Much love out there. Thanks for tuning in. If you got any tips, leave down below. And do what I did with your own caution. What I did was something that could easily destroy your stuff. So, handle it with caution, and think when you're going in, when you're trying to fix your box, that there's a good chance you're gonna fuck it up. This way you won't be disappointed at the end.
So happy he's back.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching more. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
Then he spiked his lemonade. Yes, DJ Delz. Absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.
All right, hi gang, Mean Gene Okerlund, sitting here on my deck up at Big Sandy Lake in northern Minnesota. DJ Delz, you punk, you gotta be kidding me.
We got all the bottles, we got all the models. the jail boat, but in this case, hit you with the bell like Ricky Steamboat. Ultimate maniacs like Warrior and Papo. Delz worldwide from Tokyo to the Apollo. Y'all follow. We leaders leading the way. Block us, stop you out, take what you got, even your bag. Okay, I reloaded, more shots than money made. Legends never die, living forever. Hit the replay.
We got all the bottles, we got all the models. Got me feeling like, oh yeah. We want all the money, we want all the moolah. I love my shooter.